Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Betway account. First, open the Betway app on your phone and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, go to the My Account or click on three dots. After that, go to the profile, personal detail or account information. This is where your current phone number is shown. If you see a edit or change option next to your phone number, click on it. Now enter your new phone number carefully. After entering the new phone number, Betway may send a verification code by message. Check your phone, enter the code on the screen and confirm the change. If you don't see it, edit option, don't worry, this means the phone number must be changed through the customer support. For that, go to the help or support section and choose live chat or contact us. The contact support may ask you username, your old phone number, your new phone number, and sometimes an ID document for security. Once the details are confirmed, the support team will update your phone number. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.